I was in my group last time, and a lot of people are saying that you need an expensive laptop in order to build an AI website. And I keep laughing because of what? A lot of people don't know what you can do with your phone. That is the reason why I'm bringing out this challenge on building a company that worth 100 million. We are going to build this company from scratch till the finishing. So if this is something that you love, just pay attention. We are using just phone. We are using what? We are using just your phone, just your mobile phone. We are using it to do this challenge. And this challenge is going to last for 10 days. And these 10 days, this is explaining the steps you must follow if you must make money in this AI era. Okay? This is the kind of thing that after building, you will see buyers that will be pricing you $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, depending on the kind of values you are giving. So the challenge is starting today. We are starting everything right now. So let's go. We are using Lovable. For some people that don't know what Lovable is all about, Lovable is just an AI tools that will help you to build websites, build software, do so many things. Okay, that's what Lovable is all about, and I find it interesting to use it. We are going to use other things, but in this video we are focusing on Lovable to give us this result we are looking for. So let's go. Let me show you how everything is doing. Guys, today we are in Lovable. So how do you do it? Just come to this place. You can see Lovable where I'm touching. Okay, so this is a lovable.dev. You can see the spelling. I'm going to drop everything you need to know about this challenge in the description. Okay, so each episode has all the details you need to know about it. So now what are we going to build today? Before we start building, now what you are going to do is make sure you come to this three dots here, then you come down here. You can see desktop site. You click on it. We are going to make use of it. You can go direct, but the reason why I'm using desktop site is because it's going to give us everything we need in order to do this perfectly. So here every prompt that you need for this is going to be in the description, like I said earlier. So I'm going to enter the prompt here. Okay, I click on paste. Then after pasting, I'm going to click on this next. So you can see that this is all we need. Okay, it's going to start building this for us. Review architecture options. Okay, so in this episode what we are going to cover is we are going to build the landing page. Okay, then we are going to build the login, then we are going to build the dashboard, then we are going to build the we are going to create the project, then the sidebar we are going to build the sidebar. Okay, send the premium UI we are going to build it today. So navigation we are going to build it, then database we are going to database structure we are going to build it. It's even building right now. So the project storage is going to be built, then responsive mobile layout is going to be built today also. So this is going to be massive, and the name of this website is going to, or this app is going to be called Empire OS AI. Okay, so with time you're going to understand what this website we're building is all about and how you can make a lot of money with it. Okay, so here we are not asking AI to make a pretty website. We are just asking it to build the foundation of an operating system. Okay, that's what we are just asking it. You can see that listed UI, and the reason why I love this website is because it gives us everything we need. Okay, so that is the reason why I love this very much. Okay, so this is the prompt. For those that don't know what prompt is all about, prompt is the structure, the command, the instruction you are giving an AI. Are you getting what I'm saying? The structure, the command, the setup you are giving AI. So that prompt is what will help you to, you are just telling the AI, this is what I want you to build, this is how I want you to do it, this is the result I want you to give me. Are you getting me? And the AI is going to follow the structure. When you are giving it instruction, it will follow the structure. The instruction you give it to perform is going to do it perfectly. But the reason why a lot of people are not getting it right is because everybody wants to do everything at once. You want to use AI and build a project at once. Once you go to online, you're going to understand what AI is doing for people, how massively a lot of people is earning using AI. Even the previous website that I'm into, Zenfire ecosystem, you will see the work of AI in that ecosystem. When you watch other videos in the description down below, you are going to see where I'm teaching you the practical way on how to make money online. So while we are waiting for this to build, we are going to wait for it patiently to build this particular project for us. So guys, after waiting for a while, we are done with this production. You can see it, build Empire AI foundation. Okay, this is the most important thing in every project we are building. Here you are going to see what is just built for us. The foundation is live, Empire AI shipped with auto. Okay, this is the back end. Okay, the back end is this is auto email / password Google with a luxury grass sign in card. Okay, I'm not going to start reading everything, but this is the outcome of what it just did for us here. So how are we going to see or preview this? We are going to click on this preview here. Once I click on preview, you are going to see the beautiful setup. Okay, the AI operating system foundation for modern empires. So you can see how beautiful this is. You can see how beautiful it is, built to be the operating system of your empire. Sorry. So you can see everything here. You can see 2026 Empire OS AI building your empire. So this is only the foundation. AI, employees, automation, and empire-wide intelligence are coming. Today, you get a stable production, great foundation to plan and organize every business you build. So you can see the sign in here. You can see get started here. So this is just to tell you that everything is working. You can see dashboard here. So once I click on get started here, it's going to take me to this place. This just to tell you that what I'm telling you is working and we are making use of our phone. So let me just click on sign here. I use my Google here. I click on allow. So you can see welcome done. Okay, welcome done. Your empire at a grace, add a project to be analyzed will appear as you build. Okay, you can see total venture, active, in planning, and recent projects. So everything is going to be showing right here. Your empire. You can see your empire start with 1. Create your first project to begin mapping your ventures. Okay, a lot of people will be surprised on what is coming next. So once I click on this place right here, I click on it, it's going to give me the sidebar that we are talking about. Okay, this is the sidebar. You can see dashboard, you can see project, you can see new project, you can see settings, you can see profile. What are you then looking for? What I'm teaching you here, a lot of people are paying thousands of dollars just to learn it, but I'm teaching you free of charge. So you can see that everything is showing. You can click on this. You allow it to load. You can see it here. Your project. Here you can see no project yet. Create your first project to begin. So we talked about it before. So guys, you can see that everything is here. Okay, I'm the kind of person that show you the practical ways of making money. Just imagine you are building this for someone. So here you can see that you can use of this or you can make use of this. Okay, this is the brightness. If you want it to be dark, you can change it here. If you want it to, you can change everything here. Okay, so this is showing to show you that everything in this first step is working. Okay, this is to show you that you can see that this is dashboard, this is project, this is new project, this is settings, this is profile. That is the foundation. That is the foundation. And when we go back, you'll still see how you can log in. You can't just enter into this project without logging in. Okay, a lot of people is just showing you theory, but I'm showing you the practical ways on how to do this. So this is just the beginning. Okay, this is just the beginning. We are building something. If you are building this using only your phone like I'm doing right now, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. because this is going to be something you have probably never seen or built on a smartphone before. Okay, so make sure the next episode right here, the next episode, those empty spaces, okay, like these empty places, okay, these empty places, like the beginning, you can see that everything is empty here. These empty places won't be empty anymore. They will be filled with AI employers working together. See you at the episode 2, okay, because it's going to be loud. Okay, it's going to be loud. You can see that everything here is working. You can see my picture here, you can see my my login. Okay, you can see profile, you can see sign settings and all that. So if I click on this sign out here, let's see how it's going to be. Boom, you can see everything. So see you guys, or catch you guys in the episode 2. I just want a sweet comment. Okay, give me a sweet comment, give me a follow, give me a like, and also say something good for this episode. Okay, see you in episode 2.